wake up. It's another day, another month. Nah, wake up, get your racks up. Yeah, we do what we want. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Let's get it. Started back at CNU, but we had to switch the view. Germanna on the map, now we making power moves. Yeah, the grades took the dip, caught a vibe, caught a trip with a girl in the passion for that pepperoni tip. Hop in the underride, Domino's on the dash. Deliver to the door, gotta secure that cash. Big tips in the jar, yeah, we flipping the slice. Grinding every day, cause the future got a price. Gotta keep it moving, gotta get it, gotta go. Clocking in the hours, got the dough on the low. But it's time to level up, yeah, we looking at the peak. No more slacking in the bedroom, no more hiding all week. Yeah, we roll. Got my wardrobe in the back. Black and white aesthetics, man, we setting up the rack. He a pro on the sticks, yeah, a legendary gamer. But the addiction to the screen is a certified restrainer. Gotta balance out the loot, gotta manage out the stats. Put the controller down, we assemble all the slats. Screws to the wood, yeah, the wardrobe is rising. Got the black and white room, man, my level up is surprising. Double tap, triple kill, but the real life is calling. Build it up, piece by piece, so we never be falling. Gotta keep it moving, gotta get it, gotta go. Clocking in the hours, got the dough on the low. But it's time to level up, yeah, we looking at the peak. No more slacking in the bedroom, no more hiding all week. Yeah, we roll. Got my wardrobe in the back. Black and white aesthetics, man, we setting up the rack. Yeah. Put the wardrobe together. With the wardrobe. Wake up. Yeah. Put the wardrobe together, matching my white and black. Never look back. Tip of the iceberg, baby. Just getting started. Gaming life and changing style. Yeah, I'm ready. Got the grades, the paper, and the girl keep it steady.